final video on the little flame licker vacuum engine that was found in a junkyard. I took it apart, I've repainted everything, adjusted everything, and it runs lovely. Credit to the engineer that built this, who's probably long gone. There's many of these old things, someone knew what they were doing when they built it and it just got left. So I'd guess that this was left to the family and they didn't know what to do with it, and it sat there till it just rotted. So I hope he'd be pleased with what I've done with it. I repaired it, painted it, got it running, adjusted it, oiled it, and it's a very pleasing machine now. Nice little, lovely little oil it's got now. What about that? Takes two or three attempts to start it. But once it starts, it runs lovely. I still wish this was adjustable to and from the gate, because as I say, that retro one I've got, that's adjustable, and that actually starts easier, and then I can adjust it to the speed I want. But I like this because it's gas, so I just top it up with a little can of butane fuel, what you get for cigarette lighters, and poke it in there, and that does it. Anyway, that's the last one on this one. I'll use it now and again, show my grandson something different. No steam required, no water, not even much of a flame really. Probably getting a bit warm. When they get a bit warm, they don't run. But once this heats up to the reasonable temperature, the vacuum doesn't happen anymore. But yeah, I think I'm quite happy with that. Anyway, that's the last one on this one, guys. I've got something else to do this afternoon, so cheers, see you in the next one.